Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to do text-to-speech on Sololearn website. So, Sololearn does not have a built-in text-to-speech, that is TTS feature on its website. However, you can use your device or browser's accessibility features to enable text-to-speech functionality. Here's how you can do this. Step 1 is using browser extension. You can install a TTS extension. For Chrome, search for Chrome text-to-speech extension in Chrome Web Store, or you can simply navigate to any browser, go to search bar and type in TTS extension. Hit enter. Now you will see free AI to text speech online, AI narrator. You can open these websites. For example, I'll click on add to Edge. It's free. Now after I click on the get button, this will help me get the TTS feature on my website. Now, another way to do this is using built-in operating system feature. So in order to do this, you'll have to press CTRL Windows plus enter. So I will press CTRL Windows and enter.
Scan off. Narrator window. Close. Button. New narrator window. Exiting narrator.
As you just saw, that was Windows Narrator. By pressing CTRL Windows and enter, you can easily do narration for any kind of content available on your screen. So open Sololearn and get the narration if needed. So with these tools and features, you can make Sololearn's content accessible through text-to-speech. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.